course, I would like to thank TJ and KZ for this vlog screening and to all their supporters na nandito ngayon. Sinasabi ko nga ito paulit-ulit sa mga proyekto naman, especially in movies and yung mga napapanood natin sa television at sa pelikula. Napakalaking bagay at a huge part of a certain project is the theme song. So, malaki ang pagpapasalamat ko kay TJ and KZ for the song Palagi na talaga namang bagay na bagay sa pelikula at bagay na bagay sa storya ni Joy and Ethan. We're so grateful for this theme song. Actually, si Kathy yung isa talaga sa mga naging tulay para maging theme song to ng Hello Love Again. So, grateful kami. We're very happy. And of course, with this film, sa mga first time po makakapanood, I hope you get what we mean when we say that Palagi is the best theme song for Hello Love Again. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the film.
Palakpakan natin si Ethan.